Our Computex 2018 coverage was made possible by Aerocool, Synology and AlphaCool.
Here at the Thermaltake booth at Computex 2018, I'm here with Mike, who's just going to kind of talk through the level 20 range that's coming out. There's some really cool stuff, so Mike, tell us all about it.
Hey man, first off, thanks so much for coming. We appreciate you guys coming out for Computex. So with our 20th anniversary, we got a whole family here of level 20 products. Of course, you guys have probably seen our level 20 chassis itself. We changed the color a little bit, went with the space gray color. Most of this stuff is pretty much the same, but it'll be available soon, we promise. And then moving forward here, we got the level 20 GT. Now this is all new tooling. This case is really sleeked out, being able to fit 200 mil fans, dual in both the top and the front. And one of the things I love the best about this is the expansion slot is rotatable. So I can have my graphic cards vertical or traditional by just turning the bracket that's built into the back of the case. A very cool little feature, and also giving that nice little half power supply cover. You know, plenty of room for liquid cooling as well. Type-C too, definitely another big thing. We're starting to see that more, and we're definitely integrating that into our cases. Now moving on to something, if you want water cooling, definitely take a look at the Level 20 XT. This thing allows so much water cooling, it's just ridiculous. Allowing you to put multiple 480 rads in here, and it gives that nice landscape look where the motherboard's laid down flat with the cards up vertical. For a nice big case, if you want plenty of room, definitely take a look at this guy right here. Now moving down to the little brother or the little sister of the family, we got the Level 20 VT. Now Level 20 VT is a micro ATX case, and it gives you that same layout format, but still gives you plenty of options for DIY liquid cooling, not just AIO, and then it gives you a nice surrounded and tempered glass. Now all these here for the Level 20 family should be available around August this time, and we look forward to you guys and your feedback as well on our new Level 20 chassis.
So there you go, guys. As you can see, there's lots of new stuff coming from Thermaltake. Really excited about this. I was a really big fan of the level 10 stuff, so hopefully they're just going to, work on the success of that with the new level 20, and hopefully we'll be getting these in for review very, very soon. Remember to stay tuned for all of our Computex coverage from Taipei, Taiwan, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.